Welcome to the Heart of Economy channel. Today, we are not just talking about the price increase, we're talking about a brand new system being quietly built behind the scenes. Yes, Ethereum may be rising, but the movements behind the curtain go far beyond price. Recent developments show that Ethereum is no longer just an investment asset. It is slowly transforming into a strategic infrastructure, and all of this is happening in complete silence. No news outlets are covering it. Most analysts aren't even looking this deep, but on-chain data clearly reveals the quiet movements of major capital. ETF inflows. Capital is changing direction. On July 22, Ethereum spot ETFs saw a massive $533 million inflow. On the same day, Bitcoin ETFs saw $68 million in outflows. This isn't just a difference in numbers, it's a powerful signal of capital rotation, and much of this inflow came from BlackRock. Alone, it contributed $426 million. Fidelity, Franklin Templeton, VanEck, Galaxy Digital, all are turning to Ethereum. These funds don't move randomly. They are entities that sniff out the future ahead of everyone else. This money may not be coming just for investment purposes. This volume might indicate that Ethereum is transitioning from being valued to becoming a value carrier. Some experts describe this shift as the beginning of Ethereum's financial collateral era. In the future, borrowing, stablecoin issuance, or even digital dollar systems could be collateralized by Ethereum. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum may be quietly evolving into digital bonds. Writing the balance sheet in ETH. SharpLink Gaming, a Nasdaq-listed tech company, purchased exactly 79,949 ETH last week. Their total reserve, 360,807 ETH, approximately $1.3 billion. But this isn't just an asset being held. These ETH tokens were added to staking systems. The company views ETH not just as an investment, but as an income-generating asset. In traditional finance, companies buy bonds for yield. Here, ETH acts like a digital bond. Staked ETH offers a yield between 3% to 6% annually. And it's all on-chain, transparent, and fully traceable. This model shows one thing. Ethereum is no longer just passive value. It's turning into an active, yield-producing mechanism on company balance sheets. Is SharpLink alone? Maybe not. Perhaps many companies are quietly preparing in the same way. World Liberty Foundation, a political move. On the morning of July 23, an interesting transaction appeared on-chain. The World Liberty Foundation bought around 3,473 ETH in just 20 minutes, roughly 13 million worth. The foundation now holds 73,600 ETH. And this isn't just a financial player, it has ties to Trump. And the timing of this move is noteworthy because US digital asset regulations are evolving rapidly. Laws like the Genius Act are rewriting the stablecoin landscape. According to some analysts, this purchase is a signal Ethereum might be considered collateral or infrastructure for future digital dollar systems. There is no official statement yet, but this high-volume, fast acquisition may indicate that Ethereum is gaining political significance as well. Here, Ethereum isn't just a currency, it could be the carrier of a new digital system. Institutional silence, everything is built quietly. All of these developments share a common pattern: fast, targeted, large, but quiet. No headlines, no social media chatter, no one's talking. Yet, institutional funds are accumulating ETH. Companies are growing their treasuries. Political entities are taking positions, and everyone is silent. That's why some are calling this the preloading phase. Those who position themselves before the system starts, who sit at the table before the rules are written. Ethereum's staking architecture, regulatory compliance, on-chain transparency, and global accessibility give it the power not just to be a digital asset, but a next-gen financial platform. And the system could become a bridge between central bank digital currencies and private sector innovation. Ethereum is standing right in the middle of that bridge. This isn't just an investment, it's a system. At this point, we must ask, is this just a price move? No, this is the silent construction of a system. ETF inflows, corporate treasuries, staking yields, and on-chain major acquisitions. They all show Ethereum is shifting its role. It's moving beyond being just an investment vehicle to becoming a financial infrastructure carrier. As this is a coordinated transformation, it hasn't been announced, but systems are often built in silence, and one day they become visible all at once. When that day comes, it's those who took position who win, not those who merely watched. Here at Heart of Economy, we don't just follow numbers, we interpret the movement behind them, because the economy isn't understood through headlines, but through flow. If you want to do more than just watch the game, if you want to understand it, subscribe to our channel. As the construction of this new system accelerates, we'll keep breaking it down for you in detail. See you in the next time.